All right, welcome back everybody. Tonight we're gonna do us a nice little rack of baby back ribs here. Just pulled them out. They've been de-thawing all day. It already came. The silver skin on the back was already pulled off, so it's pretty easy to do if you get one. Just use a little butter knife, napkin, rip that skin right off, but luckily this one doesn't have it. It's got some fat. But first thing we're gonna do is get this thing ready, get it put in the Instant Pot. Put a little mustard on it. Try to. Mustard as the binder. Make sure you get it rubbed into the sides too. There we go. And then today I'm going to be using Operation Barbecue Relief Texas SPG Rub and a touch of cherry barbecue rub. So let's get these opened up here. Little SPG put on these. Sorry if I'm a little hoarse, just starting to get up the end of COVID. Second time having it. Luckily this time it's not as bad as the first time. I had the original back before, but come on, bottle. There we go. All right. Now we're gonna put a little bit of the touch of cherry on here. Try to get it covered up as good as you can. Get it patted down into it. Get it flipped over, and we'll get this side done. All right, we're just gonna let this sit here for a little bit, let this rub get sweated in, then we'll get ready to put it in the Instant Pot. All righty, we've been letting these rest for about 10 minutes here. Go ahead and get the trivet put here down in the Instant Pot. And I got two 7.5 ounce Coke Zero Sugars I'm gonna put in them. Got a dog hair on it. Skip for having a German Shepherd. So this will be 15 total ounces of Coke in the bottom between two of these. I mean, it's simple, super simple, easy, fast dinner you can cook, even if these are frozen. All right, got the Cokes in there. Now we're just we're gonna wrap the baby back down into it. Now let's get ready to turn it on. All right, let's get the top onto here. Oh, make sure we're in the sealing position. Drop it on. And for these, we're gonna put it on pressure cook on high, and we're gonna do these for, oops, let's go backwards. We're just gonna do these for 20 minutes. Should be enough time, then we'll give them about a 15-minute natural release. Start. So we'll see you guys in about 45 minutes, or yeah, somewhere around there, 20, 15, 35, 40 minutes. So see you when they're ready. All right, everybody, we've been letting them self-release. It's up to 16 minutes now. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Get this extra pressure off of here. Not too awful much. We'll be back and get ready to start pulling them out here in a second. Pins drop down. Let's open this up and see what we got here. They're looking pretty good. Steam it up. Let me go set this over here. Get these ribs pulled out of here and see how they're looking. Looking pretty good. Get them flattened out here. Piece of bone that came off there. Let's go ahead and get this pot out the way. Get some barbecue sauce on these. All right, while these things are cooling down, let's get them coated with some barbecue sauce if you want to. You can throw these in your oven on the with the broiler setting on. Get it baked in real good. Get that barbecue sauce all gooey. I'm just gonna rub a little barbecue sauce on the top while it's cooling down. These are looking pretty good though. They're smelling good, that's for sure. Alrighty. Just gonna leave those like that. We're gonna let them finish cooling down. We'll come back, slice them up, and give them a taste. Get these sliced up a little bit here. Get ready to try a taste test up. Oh, make sure you follow the bones on them. Oh, they're coming apart pretty easy. Looking pretty good. So I can get through these real quick. They're looking pretty good. So let's get ready to give these a taste test. Still hot, but let's try to give one a taste test here. So this one's just about falling apart. Take a bite right off of it. Try to see if it's cool enough. Oh yeah, nice and tender, coming right off the bone. Quick, super easy meal to make, folks. So, why don't you give it a try sometime? If you can, like, subscribe, yeah. And if you can, like, subscribe, click, ring the bell, and we'll see you folks on the next video.